If you want to find out how to make 30,000 without having my own product and without spending any money on ads, then this video is for you. Welcome guys, my name is Teacher Agnes, and in today's video I want to show you how you can generate, let's say, 10, 20 or even 30,000 a month without having your own product or even without spending money on any ads. I know probably as beginning entrepreneurs you don't have the money to invest, so that would be ridiculous if you just went first and invest the money that you probably don't have anyway and borrow the money and invest in something that maybe you're not 100% sure about. Don't get me wrong, I have nothing against selling physical products and having and creating your own products. However, it is insane if you go for it straight away. I pretty much know what I'm talking about because I was selling for quite long physical products. First of all, I want to give you one good advice. If you are starting a business entrepreneur, you should first check how those products are selling for big brands, because those big brands, they spend loads of money sometimes on trying out their products. They know which products are working and which are not working, and how they market their products. How people are gonna trust me if I don't have any credibility, if I have no results to show, if I have no customers reviews, and it's how am I supposed to win this battle when I am only starting? And the answer is very simple. You must team up with those big brands that have results and use their products to sell them. So technically, you would be getting commission from the sale of someone else's products. That's why you don't need investment in the first place to buy or create your own product. You don't need any warehouse, stockroom employees, anyone from web creation and IT guys. You don't need your whole team of employees to get started. First, you must start as a one-man show, and if you don't have money to invest, you must invest your time. So this is called organic traffic, which is very good because it's organic. Organic traffic means you don't pay for your viewers, for your fans, for your followers. You just reach them in a natural way on social media using proper hashtags, keywords. While paid traffic means you pay money to reach the same audience, just you must spend your money to do it. Technically speaking, organic traffic is always better than paid traffic. First of all, because it's for free, and second of all, people have more trust into finding someone organically because that's them who finds you. It's not the other way. It's not you who finds them. Paid ads never was my thing, and I always found organic way more efficient. I always try to use the latest trends that come up on different social medias. At the moment, it's Facebook Reels and TikTok. Still TikTok, YouTube. If you want to know what's really a secret to success, I would stick to one niche, one channel, and keep it going for 1 year. I know it sounds very simple, however, it's not that simple, because then the questions come up. What type of content should I create to go viral? It depends on the social media you are. If you are, let's say, on TikTok, which is so popular at the moment, and believe me, it's still not too late to hope on and really make money from the organic traffic on TikTok. You should create a couple of videos in the first place, and analyze those videos, see which video has the biggest number of views, and then basically redo and create similar videos, nearly identical videos like the one that was so popular, using nearly identical keywords. Because your audience came to your channel in the first place watching that particular video, so you should keep on doing more of them, more and more and more of them, so TikTok will show it to a bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger circle of audience the same video, or the other videos that would be like a continuation of your first video. That's a very, very expensive piece of advice, believe me. People pay thousands for this advice, so I would really appreciate it if you just press your thumb up and even subscribe for more advice like this. Yeah, Money Teacher Agnes, you tell us to choose one niche, one platform and do it for 1 year, but how exactly am I supposed to make that 10, 20, 30,000 a month? And here it comes. As I said at the beginning, I wouldn't spend definitely my money in the first place. What I did, I went for big brands, the brands that products I used, and I teamed up with them and I recommended the product that I use, because I have knowledge about the product. I use it. I know so much about the product because I use it on a daily basis. So it's not hard for me to really talk about it, about the benefits of using it, and that I have obviously passion for this product. So I team up with big brands like Amazon and Walmart, and I basically take their product or service and recommend people their products and services, and I am paid a commission for doing this. So this model is called high ticket affiliate marketing, you can call it, but I call it high ticket offers, because it's not enough to take someone's product and market it to other people. Everyone can do the same. It's actually my person who makes the difference in why people buy this product of me, because I make the offer sexy, I make it irresistible, so they can buy off me. On top of the brilliant product that other people have, I wrap it up and add a lot of my content, my stuff, so I make it like a lovely gift that no one can literally resist to buy. Then you may think, yeah, but how exactly you can make money from a video? You technically don't make money from that video. That video generates you a lot of organic traffic that leads to your sales page or something what you call your sales funnel. And then another question, so what's the sales funnel? I know it sounds very tech kind of, but believe me, I'm not a tech person. And sales funnel is a way you make your audience go through something what you're selling in the first place, or something that you offer for free, and then in the end you offer your high ticket offers, which can be a course, service, some kind of monthly subscription, and it all depends on the niche you are in. I know it may sound incredibly hard to understand what a sales funnel is and how to create. Using that sales funnel strategy, I would like you to get your free training, free 6-session training. That link is in the description, and watch first those videos where you can understand more about selling high ticket offers strategies, and definitely I would recommend you joining my Facebook group where I talk more about high ticket offers, sales funnels. To be honest, selling high ticket offers in an organic way using social media platforms is the easiest and the fastest way to make serious money online without any investing. And if you're only starting, this is something what I would recommend, and this is my number way of making money online. In your next stage, when you start making money on recommending other people's product, you can create your own product because you're gonna have your own audience. In the meantime, we will be presenting your high ticket offers or even low ticket offers, which is email marketing. And this is another way that at another stage you will be able to use that method as well. But for the time being, if you want to find out more about how to sell and offer high ticket offers in an organic way, you should definitely click the link in the description where you will see 6 videos that you can watch absolutely free. And for more info, you are more than welcome to join my Facebook group that is free, where I upload regularly good stuff that you can always learn from. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please put your thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.